This kind of a situation allows a lot of positive possibilities in terms of getting your son home that particular night. In talking with the police, obviously you'll find out what some of the circumstances are. What you want to be able to communicate to the police is that, number one, you're going to watch the child. Number two, you're going to get the child to their next court date if in fact they're going to file or petition on your child. You're going to, if necessary, get your child involved in some kind of a treatment program if it becomes apparent that your child actually has a substance abuse issue. You might offer to the police that you're willing to have the child assessed by a pediatrician, or the pediatrician will send your child to a treatment center to have your child assessed in terms of whether or not your child has a substance abuse problem. That you want to communicate this is a real wake-up call to you and to your family, that you weren't aware, hopefully, that there was a problem or that this was an issue. Hopefully, if you're lucky, this is a one-time event. Now, it becomes a lot more serious if we're talking about sales. It becomes a lot more serious if we're talking about driving under the influence. It also becomes serious because if the police decide that they want to petition, even for possession of an alcoholic beverage, in most states, if you're under the age of 21 and if you're caught with an alcoholic beverage, absent some kind of diversion or first-time offenders program, your license or your ability to have a license is going to be suspended for a period of a year. In which case you won't be able to get a license, or if you have one, it's going to be suspended. And that certainly is true for alcohol, and in many states that's also true for possession of drugs, even marijuana. Possession under the age of 18 is going to cause your license to be suspended or revoked for a period of a year. But in summary, the important thing is to communicate to the police officer that you're an involved parent, that you care, and you want to do what is necessary to take care of your child. And it's extremely important to get your child home. You don't want your child booked into the hall.